Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make categories and subcategories on Shopify using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com and sign in your account. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is to click on the online store section at the left side of your screen and select navigation. So under online store, select navigation. So now let's just go ahead and wait for this. And now, as you can see, there's this menus section. So click on the main menus option or section right here. Now, we need to add our category. So for example, toys, just like that. So choose or paste a link right here. So for the products, let me just go ahead and do that and click on add. Okay, so this is our category. So if you want to add a subcategory, just go ahead and click on the add menu item again. So let me just go ahead and type boys toy or boys toys, just like that. Now let's click on products or yeah, let me just go ahead and put that on products again and here. Now to put this category under this category or make this boys toy a subcategory, just go ahead and click on this multiple little dots at the left side of it and move it below the toys. Okay, so you need to make sure that the dot is right here. So now when you put that right there, as you can see that the boys toy is now under or the subcategory of this toy category. Okay, so now what you need to do is just go ahead and click on the save button to save all of your actions. Okay, and that is how you make categories and subcategories on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.